Hi everyone, thank you for watching my video. This is Perry Trade. Yes, I'm showing you on the chart a loss of $1,780. And if you watched my previous video, I kind of explained what am I doing. So I did have a huge drawdown and I was experimenting if I had changed the multiplier on ATR, would that have made a difference? And no, it didn't make that much difference. So I'm actually, this is kind of like a continuation video. So I am using the Predator to manage my trade. And so, of course, I'm not going to show you all the good things. I'm going to show you the good, the bad, the ugly, I'm not the one that's just going to show you only when I'm profitable. I'm going to show you when I'm not profitable, how I analyze the trade, and how I try to minimize my losses. Of course, the goal is to have, it's inevitable that you're going to have losses. Trading in the market, you can't, there's no holy grail. You're not going to be 100% profitable. You're going to lose. But the goal is to minimize your risk, manage your risk management, have a good risk management plan, and having more profit than you do losses. Okay, so in this video I did explain in my previous video, if you can watch that first before you watch this video. So what I did was adjust the multiplier and it didn't make a difference. Here you can see here even though it went down, I avoided the stop loss on this first green candle here, actually the second candle here. It did go down. This is a runner, so I have no profit target here. And when it did reverse, of course it didn't stop me out here. Again, there's no profit target. It had to reach my 3.5 ATR before it stopped out here, which is here. So I still managed to have lost 1,700 on this one particular day right here, 7/16. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my strategy builder. My strategy builder, my ATM manager, which is the Predator. Predator is so flexible, you can do all kinds of stuff with it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Predator to try to see if once it detects that I have an up arrow, that it'll probably just exit the trade so I can avoid this huge loss right here. So let me go into my strategy. So I have a Predator lifetime. This is a paid strategy. It also helps if you're a member of Discord groups and you share the same platform. I have a whole community of Discord group that I'm a member of. We all trade the same platform, Ninja Trader, and we share strategies, we share indicators, any ideas, any troubleshooting. I mean, it just works great if you're a part of a community. It helps. It does helps a lot. And so I'm going to unenable it, right? And so what I'm going to do here is, so of course I'm using playback to test my strategy. It's almost 9:35 because I want to test my strategy on the live market. So that's what I'm going to do. So I may just shorten this video because I'm just going to go into the live market and trade. Right now it's 9:27. And so what I'm going to do here is, let's see. So I'm going to change this back to 2.5, right? And then change this back to 2.5. Okay. And so I have this reversal. Let's see where it's at. So reversal opposite, reversal bar. So let's see, turn this reversal bar, reverse and reversal bar. So basically, once you enter a trade, I think that's how it works, right? Once you enter a trade, let me enable it here. Let me enable it so I can show you on the chart. Enable, apply. Okay, click OK. So it's going to turn on just, okay, so check means okay. So let me show you my, where where is the ATM chart trader? Okay, so let me move this out. So the chart trader right here, you can see here, let me extend this out here. So chart trader, and let me move this here. So basically I have this reversal here. So basically when it goes into a trade, and so when it detects a candle going in reverse position, let's say you have a green candle here. Let me just do it. So let's say you go into a trade here, right? And once it detects a green candle going up, then what it'll do, it'll go ahead and exit the trade. And also too, if I toggle this right here, if you're in a short trade and it detects a green candle, right? I believe it has to close. I'm not sure, but it'll go ahead and reverse the position and go into a long position. So that's what that is. So I have reversal, I have that off, I have that on, reversal opposite, reversal. So reversal opposite just basically means that if you're in a trade, right, and then it detects the same condition going in the opposite direction, then it will take that trade. So I'm not sure if I turn this off, I guess it won't take that trade. I guess that's what that is. So reversal just means that if it detects, let me turn that off. So if I go into a trade and it detects a reversal candle, then it'll exit. So let me go ahead and run that strategy and see what it does. Let's see if it'll exit that trade. Let's run it. It's 9:30, so I have 5 minutes before I enter the live market. So, okay, so I'm good here. I have reversal, right? And exit. And I have my strategy on. So again, I'm particularly interested in the 10-15 short trade. Will it exit the trade instead of continuing? So let's go ahead and play it. So I don't use these indicators below, so I'm going to go ahead and delete them. So I have this is a signal candle, right? With this, I guess it's waiting for this candle to close before entering a trade.
Order submitted.
So I'm
Order
in the trade
failed.
right now.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
And so
Order
let's
submitted.
see if it
Order
reverses.
failed. Order submitted.
So I do have
Order failed.
reverse exit. Once it detects a candle going in the opposite direction.
Order canceled.
All
Order
right.
submitted.
So
Order filled.
let's pause it here. So as you can see here, it did reverse once it once this candle closed. That means it's going in the opposite direction. Not necessarily, this just can be just a pullback, but this is just maybe an extra safety feature to avoid these huge drawdowns. So reverse exit just means that if it reverses, you exit the position right away. So instead of having 1,800 drawdown or loss, you only have a $1,100 loss here. So that's it for the video. Now it's 9:34. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect. And I'm going to go into the live market and test the strategy. Disconnect. But in this case, I'm not going to. So let me go into the live market now. Okay, so I'm in the live market now. Just testing the strategy in the live market. 15 Hakanashi. I have trend signal mod. Let me go to strategies. Make sure my strategy is turned on. Let me change that to sim. Add, apply. Click OK. Let it calculate. And so I have reverse. Let me change it to reverse opposite. How I had it before. I think that's how I had it before, right? Yeah, okay. So I am in the live market and I'm testing the strategy and see how well it does. So I'll just leave this on for about an hour. I think that's how I had it, reverse opposite. So I guess once it detects or reverse in the opposite direction, it'll exit, I guess. So yeah, so I'll check back with you in about an hour. I'm just gonna leave this on. And just let it play. Hi everyone, I'm back again. So like I promised, I'm giving you a progress update on the strategy that I'm running live. And so right now it's 11:34. And you can see here that I've not taken any trade. And the reason why is because the strategy, the filter that I have two time filters. Filter starts at 9:35, ends at 11, and then again it resumes at 1 o'clock until 4 p.m. So this strategy, this half trend strategy that I'm using right now, started way before the open of the session. Started since actually last night, so, and it's continuing to go down, as you can see, up until the morning session here. So it dropped, you can see here, this huge drop here. And that also has to do with the earnings report that came out this morning. I believe Tesla didn't do well, and some other companies didn't do well. So that's why there's no trend change yet. So obviously this trend, remember my strategy, the predator waits until a a signal get printed and then it takes a trade. So there's no signal trend change yet. So that's the reason why I've not taken any trade yet. So this may go on for the whole entire day, I'm not sure, but if there is a trend change, then yeah, it'll go ahead and take that trade. But if I had this on last night, if I had it on running last night, then yeah, I would have continued taking this whole trade all the way on. Like if you had a not a tight stop loss, but yeah, you would have well, yeah, if you had a stop loss, you probably would have been stopped out here around 6:30, because that's a huge buy order right here. Buyers came in right here, so they looked like they were liquidating here. So yeah, you would have been stopped out here, could have came back in and rode this long downtrend right here up until now. Okay, so I'll go ahead and resume again at 1 o'clock and give you a progress update on that. So this is just a quick update. This will be my last final update for today's trading session. The trading session, July 24th trading session. So as you can see, all day was a downtrend. There was no up and down movement. So it's all one-sided today. So congratulations to all those who stayed in the trade and didn't have a stop loss and rode this wave all the way down. And if you had one contract, you would have had at least $10,000. And if you had the micros, trading the micros, for how many contracts? If you had one contract, you would have had gained $1,000. So if you had 5 contracts, it would have been $5,000 on just a micro contract. So congratulations to you. So again, I want to thank you for watching my video. Obviously, I did not have any opposite signal. The signal that printed, the downtrend printed way before my strategy became enabled. So there was no up signal for me to take a trade. So that's just today. And so I look forward for tomorrow. Again, I want to thank you for watching my video. And please remember to like and subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.